What's up, my lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at another wig, and I received this unit from a company called Recoolhair. I will link all of their information down below. So this is their kinky curly, and it is in a 22-inch, and it is a half wig. Guys, I love half wigs. They are like the easiest install ever. With a half wig, you don't need to cut lace, you don't need to melt the lace, you don't have to worry about any of that, no plucking of the lace. It is just easy, easy, easy. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into this video. So my final thoughts on this unit. This unit was really, really nice. I honestly loved, of course, like I said, that it's a headband wig. Headband wigs are so easy, you guys. Like, you guys literally saw it was like you take your headband wig, you put it on your head, and you attach the Velcro together, and you lay down your baby hairs, and voila, you're done. Now, the only thing that was that took up a lot of my time with this wig is that all of the curls came very uniform, as you guys saw. So I did have to go in and like separate the curls. Even after I washed the wig, they were still pretty uniform. So I had to like really go in and separate the curls so that I can make it look better and make it look like this. I am not about that uniform curl life. So I went in and I just kind of separated it. And then I just applied some water and some of my Aussie scrunching spray and the scrunching cream. And y'all, that was it. The curls really came to life, and it just looks so good. I love that with headband wigs, like, you literally are wearing a protective style. Like, my hair is not touched underneath. All I have is just like my edges out, and I just slick them down. So I didn't have to put any heat on my hair. I didn't have to put anything like that on my hair. So I love that about headband wigs. And also, headband wigs to me are super comfortable because your whole head is not covered like it is with the wig. So, you know, you kind of like have some room to breathe. Your hair has some room to breathe. So I kind of really like that with headband wigs. This unit is big head friendly. It does come with adjustable straps, and it also has the clips, the combs, I mean, that you can use to secure your wig. I know those really come in handy with headband wigs. I personally don't like those combs. They're very uncomfortable for me. So I just use bobby pins, and I just make sure that the Velcro is nicely secured, but it does come with those combs on the sides and in the back and in the front if you would like them. The hair itself is very soft. I did get some tangling when I was kind of like separating the curls. That is to be expected with curly hair. You know, you're gonna get some tangling and some shedding when you go in and you mess with the curls, just because it is a thicker and a coilier texture. So that is expected. It wasn't anything crazy or out of the norm, but I did get some of that. However, after that, I really haven't gotten any shedding. The hair is really pretty, y'all. It is. It's very, very pretty. And it's very like natural looking and very natural feeling too. I mean, it's human hair, of course, so I wouldn't expect anything less, but it is a very, very beautiful unit. Yeah. So the hair is gorgeous. I will update you guys as I continue to wear the hair. So far, I have not gotten any shedding or any tangling or anything like that. So I'm really loving it. So yeah, guys, my overall thoughts on this unit is that this unit is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's soft. My only issue with it, like I said, was that you do have to spend some time kind of going in and separating the curls because they all come super duper uniform. But besides that, this is a gorgeous unit. All right, my loves, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Huge shout out to Recoolhair. Once again, I will link all their information down below, as well as all the information for this specific unit down below as well. You guys make sure you check out their website and follow them on social media. And also make sure you're following me on social media. If you are not, my information is down below in the description box. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.